In this video, we will see how to add products and customize. Navigating to the Add Product page. From the Products section in the left sidebar, click on Add Product. You will be taken to the Product Add form. Filling out the product form includes multiple fields, and all required fields are marked with an asterisk. Note, before adding products, make sure we have at least one category, subcategory, and brand included. Writing here, product name and defining category. Subcategory as well. Adding images as needed. Putting price, discount price, and quantity. Defining the brand for this product. Status active or inactive. Best selling. Mark this product as one of your store's top sellers. Flash sale. Feature this product in limited time promotions or special deals. Featured. Show this product prominently on your homepage or special sections. New arrival. Highlight this product as a recent addition to attract more views. Give here a description for this product. Finished filling out all required fields and uploading the image, clicking the Add Product button. Look, we just added this product. Like we are adding another product here. By thoroughly providing all the necessary details in the same comprehensive manner as we did for the initial product creation. We just created these two products and now we are navigating to the preview page to check what those look like. Look, these are displayed here. All the details are displayed beautifully within an attractive and well-designed user interface. This is the Customize section, where we can update our existing product details, editable fields. Changing price is an example. However, we can modify all the fields here, including name, images, status, and more. Take a look at the preview section, where our updated modified price is now reflected. We can also view the product details via the category panel.
We can
can delete the product here as well. Click the trash icon next to the product you want to delete. Now you're welcome to explore and try creating your own.